29777 Telegraph Road, the Onyx building. We got a bank of 6 elevators. I'm gonna start with this one. Good fork. No, rear level. Here we are 4. You know what? Because there's 6, we'll get a different one. Try to make this as quick as possible. That might be one of the original indicators, I'm not sure. These might have been Westinghouses, not sure. That one out. Can't really tell by the inner lock. This looks like a GIL. Let's go to 1. Very nice. That's probably where the old indicator used to be. Innovation universal buttons. That one. I don't want this one, we just have this one. Out of all the 6, how do we get the same one in there? Might get this one. Once that one goes. Goes. There we go. This is, oh, this is the service elevator. Okay, so they do have one here. See, look, it used to have a call station just this way. Wait a minute, let's go up to 4. Oh, look, it's got a rear door. So this is the service elevator. £3,500 capacity. That's pretty big. It's got a rear door. And this one doesn't even have a button. You actually have to have a key. You just have to click it to on to place a call. Oh. That's lovely. See it, but oh, there you can see something now. That's the 1-hour landing, which is probably where the machine room is. Maybe. You reopen, please. Thank you. There goes that one. I guess we'll get one more and then end it. There it goes. So that's the service elevator. Oh, that call button goes for that one. That's fine. Again, we get this one. All right, I guess we'll go to 2 on this one. See if we can get a different one, and then we'll end it. I think it re-leveled again. Wow. Number 2. Oh, that was weird. Yeah. That's done too. There goes that one. very nice. You can actually see one of the ones down there. You can see all the way through. Good one. This is elevator number 3. Here we go. Here we are, one. All right, here's your up-down access control. There it goes.